What's going on YouTube? I hope y'all like that unboxing video. Now we is getting started with the Dell G5 560Ms, y'all. It is running at 34 mega hashes, y'all. I didn't overclock it. I did download MS Afterburner. I didn't tweak it yet, but I am gonna start tweaking it. I'm making $1.54 per day, y'all. In total, I got $5.35, y'all. So yeah, I am running on that AMD RX 56M. I could put that Ryzen 5 on to get a little bit more, but nah, we're just gonna make this shit last. I got my cooling pad coming in today, so speed tuning that. The temperature, y'all can't see the temperature on this one, so you had to pull it up on Task Manager. So our temperature is at 68 to 70. So yeah, both computers are running full time, 24/7, non-stop, not stopping. $70 a month for both. $46 for one computer, $20 for the other. And you know, making that money, y'all. And I also added another PC, so stay tuned for that unboxing, y'all, and we're gonna see how many mega hashes this runs. So yeah, this is an MSI 3080, so we're gonna see what kind of numbers that's be doing. And then we're also gonna add one more rig. We're gonna add a amp monitor, either the L3 or the S11. Comment down below which one I should pick. So yeah.